Hi everyone. I'm recording this video because a lot of my friends, I'm talking with them about gym fitness routine. I thought of making a video. I hope that this video gives you a good value for your time. I'll try to make a short video if possible, and let's start the video. So everybody talks about workout, fitness, and it boosts your immune system because of the virus outside. So what I personally think I'm going to share through this video, and at the end I'm going to show you some of the workout options which you can do at home without using any equipments. So let's talk about the workout first. So whenever we talk about workout, the first thing comes in everybody's mind is that okay, either somebody want to reduce the fat from your stomach or somebody wants to build some muscles. Well, actually workout is more than that. So these are the external appearances of the workout. Actually when you start workout, it start affecting your body within first few minutes of when you start. For example, your lungs consume more oxygen, your blood get purified, your body gets nutrient rich blood throughout. And when we talk about immune system, right? So we're getting a lot of forward messages and YouTube videos where we are seeing that okay, if you eat vitamin C, ginger, turmeric, and that will improve your immunity system. I personally don't feel that, because anything external you're taking, it's going to take a lot of time like this. I think you need something really fast, and I personally feel that workout is the only thing that actually gives you result within the first few 6, 7, 8 minutes itself. So and that's why I'm just stressing on this video that everyone should work out. I'm not saying that even your girlfriend, your wife, your kids, whoever it is, everyone should train. Doesn't matter, type of workout can be different, but I would strongly suggest everyone should train. You never know, right? Tomorrow there is another virus, then there is another virus. External circumstances you cannot control, but internally you can make your body strong enough so that any virus you're easily sustained. Even if you see a lot of people are just getting affected and then just get recovered and then they're back to their normal life. It's their immune system, it's their body who's defending them. So the only purpose for this video is that I really want to spread this within my friends and my known people, that take out some time from your schedule and train, at least do some physical activity. And if, most of my circle are sitting at home and working from home, and that's another problem, because 8 to 10 hours you're sitting in front of the laptop, and when you get a time, either you're sitting on sofa or lying on the bed and watching TV. Most of my friends, whoever I talk to during this time, they've just put on some weight. So and I really want to spread and give a message by this video. I don't want to be famous by this video, just because a lot of time I keep talking to my friend, the same thing I'm repeating to many friends. So I thought of making a video and share with a lot of my friends. So I'll be sharing some of the exercise idea which you can train at home. So you don't need any any other equipment. So let's start without wasting time. So if you have two chairs, make a distance. This is for chest. So what I'll do, I'll just keep mentioning the body part which I'm showing, and then just let me know in the comments if you see and if you want to ask any questions. So this is for the chest. The distance should be your shoulder width, and I'm giving a firm grip here. So using the chair, I can do push-ups on the floor as well. But doing the push-up on the floor, the stretch space is not enough. But if I'm using two chairs, everybody has two chairs. So this gives me more stretch, more range of motion for my chest to go down, come up, go down, come up, go down, come up. Now, second, for shoulder and tricep, people who are strong, this is advanced level exercise if you can do at home. So second exercise is this. This will help your shoulder, triceps. Okay. Now, let's move them. I'm trying to make it, the video shorter. That's why I'm just rushing. So, pardon me for that. So, well, if you have weights, then there is no problem. People who don't have any weights. So this is a curtain rod. These are 2 milk can. What I do, I just fill water in them, and you know, that's it. My weight set is ready. That's it. So this is for the arms. This is for the arms. Come back slowly. Same thing, you know. Hold it. This is for shoulders. This is for shoulders. And if you don't have any problem in your back, then you can train your chest as well. They're empty right now, but the idea here is you don't want to buy any weights, right? People who doesn't have any interest in weights, they're not gonna spend money, right, in exercise and fitness. So that's why I'm using them. Otherwise, I have weights, I can show them. But you know, just fill them up. You know, hold it, and you can do chest. But remember, your curtain rod should be strong, or find something which is stronger. Okay, this is just a demo. This is your chest. Now for the triceps. Your back should be strong, you should be very flexible, you should be properly warmed up. This is for triceps. Triceps, same thing here. Now, another exercise for chest. Remember, these 2 chairs are very important, okay? This is pullover. Again, fill the water. This is a very effective exercise. I really like it. Pullover. Well, there are so many variations. You may find mistake while I'm doing it. You know, elbows should be like this, and inward, that will impact here. Go all the way down, all the way up. No jerk. Very slowly. You know, we can cover techniques in some other video. I just want to make this video as short as possible. So far we covered chest, arms, shoulder. Let's go to legs. So this is just a simple couch, you know. In your case, if you cannot move the whole sofa by yourself with one hand, you can always ask somebody to help you while you're going under the sofa and when you're taking out the sofa. So let me know how do you like it. So I guess you have, I would say this very humbly, you have 2 options after this video. Option number 1, you can find my mistakes and criticize me. Option number 2, see if anything you like from this video, use that, apply that. Thank you so much.